Good morning, students. Welcome. See, we last 3 or 4 lecture we have been studying the lesson, which is two part, first and second. Okay, the red-headed league. I hope you remember the story. What was the story? I am not going to revise everything. I hope you remember it. The characters what we have in this is Mr. Sherlock Holmes, Mr. Wilson, Spaulding, who is the assistant of Mr. Wilson, who has been uh, trapped by some crime. Okay, and there is Mr. Duncan Ross and all, who is the criminal. Mr. Duncan Ross and Mr. Spaulding, and Mr. Spaulding's real name was Mr. Clay, and they both are the criminals, and they were just was trapped by Mr. Sherlock Holmes. Half of the almost 3/4 of the lesson was explained to you. You see, we have read up to here. Okay, Mr. Clay was caught by Mr. Sherlock Holmes because they just put a trap to trap the criminals, and they were able to hold Mr. Clay. Now we will we will proceed further. Okay. Let's see. The other divided down the hole and disappeared. Clay took out the revolver, but Holmes hit him on his wrist and the revolver fell on the floor. Means as Mr. Holmes has he hold Clay. What did the Clay did? He took out his revolver, but the revolver was put down by Sherlock Holmes because he hit the wrist. As soon as he got hurt in his hand, the revolver just fell on the floor. It is no use, John Clay, said Holmes. We have caught you, so I see, but my friend has escaped. Now what the Clay said? Okay, I am caught, but my friend is escaped. Holmes replied, he cannot escape. There are 3 men waiting for him at the other end. What did Holmes reply? Your friend can't escape because there are other 3 men who are waiting for him, and naturally he will be also got caught. Mr. Merriweather said, really, Mr. Holmes, I do not know how to thank you. You have foiled one of the most cunning attempts at the bank robbery. The bank is grateful to you. Due to Mr. Holmes, the criminal were caught and the bank robbery was stopped. मतलब बैंक रॉबरी होने वाले थे जिसको इन्होंने ये कर दिया. क्रिमिनल्स को पकड़ने की वजह से ये बैंक फ्रॉड चोरी रॉबरी नहीं हो पाई. ओके, इससे पहले इनको पता चल गया था और उन्होंने बैंक रॉबरी होने से बचा लिया. बैंक को घाटा होने से उन्होंने बचा लिया. यू सी वाटसन, Holmes said. After we reached his home, it was obvious from the first that the only possible object of the strange advertisement and the peculiar job was to get Mr. Wilson away from the shop for some hours every day. Now Holmes said, what was the planning? Sorry for the interruption. Holmes said that Mr. Watson that it was only the planning of the criminal to keep Mr. Wilson away from his shop for some while so that they can do their job. मतलब मिस्टर विल्सन को थोड़ी देर अपने ही शॉप से दूर रखना था ताकि वो लोग जो टनल बना रहे थे उसके घर के नीचे से बैंक के रास्ते पे तक, क्योंकि बैंक उनके घर के पीछे था, जस्ट पीछे था, एंड इट वाज द ईजिएस्ट वे from where they can escape and they can make a tunnel and get do the robbery very easily. तो ये एक रास्ता था. तो दिट वॉज ओनली द रीज़न मिस्टर विल्सन को 10 to 2 के टाइम पे उन्हें बाहर भेजा गया और इस दौरान लोग काम करते रहे ताकि बैंक रॉबरी को अंजाम दे सके. द रेड-हेडेड लीग वॉज अ क्लेवर आइडिया. In Mr. Wilson's absence, Clay and his red-headed companion wanted to dig an underground tunnel from Mr. Wilson's house to the bank. See, in the absence, if Mr. Wilson go for his work, 10 to 2 जगह वहाँ पे क्लियर था, तो मिस्टर क्ले और उसके दूसरे जो साथी है, they wanted to dig an underground tunnel from Mr. Wilson's house to the bank, as I said you earlier. Then they would be able to enter the bank and steal the gold without breaking upon the doors of the bank. अगर इफ़ दे हैव पॉसिबल टू डू दिस टनल, सो दे डोंट हैव टू ब्रेक द लॉक. ओके, बैंक का लॉक तोड़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. वो नीचे के रास्ते से ही आएंगे और नीचे के रास्ते से निकल जाएंगे और किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. बिकॉज सैटरडे एंड संडे देयर विल बी द बैंक हॉलीडे. ओके, तो ये किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. अगर सामने के दरवाजे से जाते हैं तो वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड, बट दे हैड dig a tunnel over there, and if they are escaping through that tunnel, nobody will know, as it is a holiday. Using this tunnel, they enter the cellar. They plan to steal the gold and go back to Mr. Wilson's house again through the tunnel and then get away. This was the planning, okay, to steal the gold and go back to Mr. Wilson's house again through the tunnel and then get away. But how could you guess what their motive was? Now, शेरलॉक होम को पूछा जा रहा है, हाउ डू यू कम टू नो दैट व्हाट वाज द मोटिव. ये इनका इंटेंशन ये था चोरी का. हाउ गुड यू गेट इट? व्हेन आई हर्ड दैट असिस्टेंट वर्क फॉर हाफ द वेजेस, आई बिकेम सस्पिशियस. व्हाट डिड मिस्टर विल्सन से? व्हेन द असिस्टेंट वाज रेडी टू वर्क फॉर द हाफ वेजेस, दैट थिंग्स मेड हिम समथिंग थिंक ओवर इट. मतलब कोई इंसान मेहनत करता है कमाने के लिए ताकि अच्छा कमाई करे. आधा सैलरी में इट्स नॉट सो ईजी टू वर्क. कोई इंसान तैयार नहीं हो सकता. तो दैट थिंग मेड हिम सम सस्पिशियस अबाउट दिस मिस्टर स्पॉल्डिंग. यूजिंग मिस्टर विल्सन्स डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस असिस्टेंट, आई मेड इंक्वायरीज. आई फाउंड दैट ही वॉज ए क्रिमिनल क्ले. He asked Mr. Sherlock Holmes asked Wilson to describe about Mr. Clay. When he described about his appearance and all, then he came to know that he was a criminal one. Why was he working for Mr. Wilson's shop? And his habit of going into the cellar every now and then, I inferred that he must be digging a tunnel to some other building. मतलब वो बार बार what used to do Mr. Spaulding during working hours, used to go downstairs. What used to say, he loved to do photography, he loved to develop the photos. ऐसे बहाने बना के वो बार बार अपने कामों के बीच वो क्या करता है, बेसमेंट में चला जाता था. This was also one reason that he wanted to know about Mr. Spaulding. When we visited the shop, I bet upon the pavement with my stick to find out whether the cellar stretched out in the front or behind. It was not in front. I saw the bank on the other side of the house, and guess what the criminal said in end. Okay, what he said, Mr. Holmes, जैसे when he was inspecting the house of Mr. Wilson, तब वो ऐसे ठोक के जा रहे थे जानने के लिए. तो ये फाउंड दैट कहाँ से कहाँ टनल बनाया होगा, क्योंकि जहाँ पे स्पेस का एम्प्टी होता है तो वहाँ का साउंड अलग होता है. अगर आप अपने घर में भी नोटिस करोगे तो जहाँ पे लादी आपकी ठीक से बिठाई नहीं गई तो वहाँ का साउंड और दूसरी जगह का साउंड वेरी करता है. तो उनको भी इसे बैंक करते हुए समझ में आया कि देयर इज समथिंग ओवर देयर. वहाँ पे कुछ एम्प्टी स्पेस है जो साउंड अलग कर रहा था. It was not in front. I saw the bank on the other side of the house, and guess what the criminal had meant. When Clay answered the bell, the knees of the trousers were wrinkled and stained. It confirmed my suspicion that he was digging. You know the rest of the story. Okay, when Mr. Holmes just what he said, he just belled the ring of the door. So Mr. Clay came here, and his trousers were his pants were completely with mud. His dress was stained, so he came to know कि he was digging the tunnel over there. तो इससे उनको अंदाज़ा आ गया है कि ये लोग वहाँ बैठ के एक कॉन्स्पिरेसी बना रहे हैं, प्लानिंग चल रही है टू लूट द बैंक, to do a bank robbery. You reasoned it out beautifully, I exclaimed in the admirations. Okay, तो यू रीज़न इट आउट ब्यूटीफुली, बोलता है आपने बहुत अच्छे से इसे ढूंढ के निकाला. और वो एडमायर करते हुए, ओके, एडमिरेशंस मतलब वो एडमायर करते हुए ये बोलते हैं बात को, इनकी तारीफ़ करते हैं. मिस्टर शेरलॉक होम्स की तारीफ़ करते कि उनकी सूझबूझ की, उनकी सोच की वजह से बैंक रॉबरी होने से बच जाती है और काफ़ी सारा नुकसान होने से बच जाता है. तो दिस वॉज द स्टोरी. ओके, दिस वॉज ए कॉन्स्पिरेसी. एक ये जाल रचा जा रहा था बैंक लूटने के लिए वो भी मिस्टर विल्सन के घर के अंदर से नीचे से लेके बैंक तक एक टनल बना के बैंक लूटने की प्लानिंग हो रही थी. दिस वॉज द स्टोरी. Okay, I hope you got the story. Thank you.